Hi, my name is Orvis McDowell. I'm a dad first, and my mission is to inspire, empower, and transform the lives of busy dads and their families ready for change now through generational transformation so they can create wealth and live an extraordinary life. I am a living benefits specialist. I'm also a certified information security professional, consulting for Fortune 500 companies like Scotiabank, TD, and what I love most about Raymond's communication workshop is the fact that it's very practical. I can apply the skills easily and effortlessly. His I speak to you philosophy is transformational. His unfoldment questions are deep. It allows you to have deep conversations with your kids, with your spouse, with your entire colleagues, your family. To me, that's transformational for the rest of my life. And of course, the R factor question is just a game changer. So, I am loving this course. Raymond, you're amazing.